Welcome to our deadline reminder guide from MakeMyFinancials. In this short video, we'll walk through the critical tax dates and common pitfalls so you can avoid penalties and interest this season. Think of this as a practical roadmap for individuals and businesses with clear actions you can take now to stay organized, compliant, and stress-free during tax time. Tax season is here and missing a date can be costly. The image on screen captures that last-minute scramble many experience. But this guide highlights the key US deadlines for individuals, C-Corp, LLCs, and foreign-owned entities. Stay with us to learn which dates matter most, how penalties build, and what steps to take to file with confidence. Deadlines matter because penalties and interest escalate fast. Late filing fees can reach steep percentages, interest compounds daily from the due date, and missed deadlines increase audit risk and administrative headaches. At MakeMyFinancials, we prioritize timely filings and clear communication so you avoid fines, reduce interest exposure, and keep your business in good standing with tax authorities. For individuals, mark your calendar now. Form 1040 is normally due April 15 with filing extensions to October 15 available but payment still due in April. US expats typically get extra time to file, though taxes remain due earlier, and estimated tax payments are quarterly on April 15, June 15, September 15, and January 15 of the following year. We help calculate and track these dates so you never miss a payment. Corporate and LLC deadlines vary by entity type, so it helps to plan ahead. Partnerships and multi-member LLCs typically file Form 965 by March 15. Calendar year C-Corps file Form 1120 by April 15 with extensions to September, and foreign-owned single-member LLCs must attach Form 5472 to a pro forma 1120 by April 15. We coordinate filings to avoid last-minute rushes and documentation gaps. Payroll and quarterly reporting require steady attention year-round. Form 941 is filed quarterly, due the last day of the month following each quarter. Payroll deposits follow a defined deposit schedule. Estimated tax payments apply to self-employed individuals, and Form 940 for federal unemployment is due annually on January 31st. We help businesses automate deposits and filings to prevent penalties. State tax compliance adds another layer since each state sets corporate income tax rates and filing timelines. Sales tax filing frequency depends on your volume and nexus rules, and some states levy franchise taxes on business presence or capital. The map here shows how variable state rules can be, and MakeMyFinancials monitors both federal and state deadlines for consistent compliance. Avoiding penalty traps starts with understanding how they work. Late filing penalties can be a percentage of unpaid tax per month. Late payment penalties and interest keep accruing until settled. Missing Form 5472 can trigger large flat penalties. Underpayment interest applies if estimated taxes are short, and payroll missteps may lead to trust fund recovery actions. We proactively flag risks and guide timely remediation. Staying ahead of deadlines is mostly about systems and habits. Use accounting software to automate calculations and reports. Set calendar reminders with buffer time for document gathering. Organize receipts and invoices year-round. Schedule estimated payments early, and consider professional help for complex filings. Combining these practices creates a streamlined workflow that keeps filings accurate and stress-free. That's your deadline roadmap for this tax season. Plan early, stay organized, and get help when needed to avoid costly penalties. If you'd like assistance, MakeMyFinancials offers IRS authorized, cost-efficient services for individuals, C-Corps, LLCs, and foreign-owned businesses. Click the link to book a consultation, subscribe for more tips, and reach out with questions. See you in the next video.